Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to find all your PDFs in Evernote using a simple search trick. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and your notes dashboard appears, you're ready to start searching for those PDF files. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see the search bar. This is where you'll enter a special search command that Evernote recognizes. Click on the search bar to activate it, and then type exactly this: resource::application/PDF. This is a powerful search filter that tells Evernote to show you only notes that contain PDF attachments, filtering out everything else like images, text notes, or other file types. After you type the search command and hit enter, Evernote will process your request and display the results on the right side of your screen. You'll notice that all your PDF files will appear together with their associated notes. This makes it incredibly easy to browse through all your PDF documents in one place, rather than having to manually check individual notes to see what attachments they contain. Each result shows the note that contains a PDF, so you can quickly identify which document you're looking for based on the note title or preview. From here, simply click on any of the results to view the PDF file. This will open the note containing the PDF attachment, allowing you to read, download, or share it as needed. This search method is particularly useful if you store a lot of research papers, receipts, contracts, or other PDF documents in Evernote and need to locate them quickly. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully located all your PDFs in Evernote using a simple search command. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.